Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet. Tap Add to Wallet button and focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's go to Transport Pass. And if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Ocean Poland. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card. And similarly to loyalty card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes, and tap Add to Wallet button. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.